What are you doing?
I'm doing TikTok challenges.
Let me see.
Well, now I'm just looking at TikTok.
Show them the funny TikTok that we went viral doing.
Okay. Yeah, baby.
Okay. Yeah. Hey.
You gotta do the electric slide.
I'll show me how to do it.
You gotta go.
Okay then. How many family reunions you done went to? Show the FUBU jersey one time though. They don't know about the FUBU. They don't know about that. Show the back. Ooh. I see you, Brody.
Okay.
I like the way you did the room though. Tell people what was the the thoughts on the new room setup though. I like it.
Oh, well, I just wanted to, I always have to feng shui out my room like maybe once every 4 months. So I was kind of late with doing this, but the inspiration was just how I would want my room to look if I was a teenager in the early 2000s.
Stuff. So she got all the Wheaties boxes of like all of like the sports characters, whether it be Clyde Drexler, of course you got Michael Jordan here, Michael Jordan there. Of course, I know those are some of my favorites. She got some of the Sports Illustrated, Fader magazines, even Tyler Creator on the GQ Style magazine. She got some of the Olympic starter stuff from 1996 when the Olympics was in Atlanta. You see Atlanta Olympics right there. That's pretty fire.
Some of like the books. So I thrifted this one.
She loves the Olympics in '96, by the way.
Yeah.
She got this one in a glass case. What's up with this one?
Oh, yeah. Let me pull this out. Ooh, Michael Johnson. He's like an amazing track star.
Michael Johnson. Should have had Michael Jordan in there, baby. Not Michael Johnson.
Michael Johnson, 1996 Olympic Games gold medal winner.
Okay.
And so this is amazing. It's actually one of my dad's favorite track athletes.
So a lot of y'all don't know, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to like, decorating the room and the room decor, I pretty much put her on, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I mean, I pretty much told her where everything should go, just about all over the room. By the way, I don't have my mic right now. I left my mic at her crib. I left my mic at my crib, I'm sorry, and I'm at her crib, so I don't have my mic. But yeah, I pretty much put her on, bro, and I told her, you know what I'm saying, what she needed to do in her room because I just needed some spice. I ain't gonna hold you, I just needed some spice. Hey, the real reason why I like this picture though, because they got the ice on the neck. Look at the VVs on the neck, boy. No cap, boy, looking icy, boy. So today is the next day. I'm headed to go play basketball with Holla and my boy Dakar. Now I usually don't take the camera with me when I'm going to hoop, but I kind of wanted to spice up the content a little bit. I'm not really sure how many people gonna be at the gym or even if I'm gonna have somebody to hold the camera, but I definitely wanted to catch it on the vlog. So with all that being said, let's go ready to go hoop. They get to see Holla get buckets or they get to see Holla get buckets scored? My son, my son. So we up here by the hoop right now. As y'all can see, like the run's kind of light. I ain't gonna hold you, but at the end of the day, look, you know what I'm saying? Your boy's not trying to get out of retirement. Y'all didn't see my last Instagram post. Puma had recently just sent me over to like the J. Cole Dreamer 2. I even made a YouTube video about unboxing that shit, which is super dope. And like that shit just kind of got me motivated to get back in the gym and get motivated back into hooping. So I hit up Holla the next day like, oh bro, tomorrow morning we gotta go hoop, and here we are. My son. So right now, Holla's cash apping me 7 of them things because he
almost got my porn on camera, dog.
right now, Holla is cash apping me 7 of them things because he ain't believe in my jump shot. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie. My jump shot is very inconsistent because I don't really hoop as much as I need to. Let Holla tell he say I hoop enough. I don't say I hoop enough, but at the end of the day, I know I don't. Matter of fact, can you hold this camera and see if I can make 5 in a row for the vlog?
All right, and if you make 5 in a row, from the same spot,
yeah.
What we doing?
If I make 5 in a row, take me. If I make 5 in a row from the volleyball line, Holla gotta take me.
We're going to Chick-fil-A.
No, you gotta take me to Iron Age.
All right, bet.
Take me to Iron Age.
Now, before he shoots, I want to show y'all how far he is from the basket. Way out of his range.
Out of my range. That's the one I needed to see go in. I'm good. Yo, so what What is up, everybody? I am back. I don't even know whether to call this a studio because this is not the studio. I'm over at Sim's house. This background is so girly, bro. It's really gonna hurt me right now to even get through this video. But look, check this out. I picked up a sneaker that I wanted to show you guys. Now, it's not every day I buy a sneaker from a subscriber, so I kind of thought this was a little bit different. Shout out to the subscriber, by the way, man. I made a video, I think it was like a few weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, when I literally said I was looking for this specific shoe. And he hit me up ASAP. He gave me a great deal on it through DM. And yeah, man, he sent it over to me. Everything checked out. And like I said, bro, I really appreciate it. I'm about to go through my phone right now because I want to say his name so he can get the credit he deserves, because he definitely looked out for me big time. Shout out to Kid Kush 08, aka JoJo Haynes. Thank you, bro. Like I said, once again, I appreciate it. You came through for your boy and you gave me a pair of shoes I've been waiting for a long time now. Different place, same edit, y'all already know the vibes. But inside this box is a pair of shoes that I've been waiting for a while, and it's a Nike box. I've been very vocal about this, I ain't gonna hold you. I've been saying this for a while now. Pretty much sure that most of my subscribers, if you're not new to this video, you already know what my favorite sneaker is. At this point in time, I kind of transitioned into a new shoe, and this is my first of a new shoe, so it's kind of like a hint on top of a hint, if you get what I mean. The Nike box, size 11.5. I chose to go down half a size, and as we open this up, we get the Iowa Nike Dunk High. Now, this is my first pair of Nike Dunk Highs ever, and I got a great deal for these. DS, never worn, and the material on this is fire. Now, up to now, every single last one of my pair of dunks are lows. I love the Nike Dunk lows. It's one of my favorite sneakers of all time, and right now, at this very moment, it is my favorite. But I could not pass down the Iowa Dunk Highs. I'm not even sure when they came out, but I knew this was one of those ones that I love the most because I'm always a fan of like the simplistic colorways of the Nike Dunk, whether it be the university colorways like the Syracuse, the University Red, or the Kentucky. Even if you get into like the crazier colorways like the Street Hawker I did a review on, or something crazy as a Chunky Dunky. The color blocking of the Nike Dunk is just, bro, it's the best. Simple color blocking, black, yellow, white midsole, yellow outer sole. You really can't beat it. And I think that's why I was so hurt, bro. Like, baby, come here for a second real quick. Come here real quick. I gotta ask you something while I'm making this video. For the people who wasn't there, can you please tell them how hurt we were when we figured out we couldn't get our custom dunks that we made on Nike's?
Oh yeah, we was hurt. We had such high hopes too. Like, I don't know what happened, but we literally couldn't even get into the site, number one.
I want to do like a transition scene where I show them like the day. We stayed up to like 12 a.m. editing all our shoes.
I was like, I'm gonna get this one, baby. We're gonna get this pair.
Bro, we literally took our time doing like the colorization. We made 7-Eleven dunks.
Mm-hmm.
We made Chicago dunks.
I made my IKEA dunks.
We put Dream Big on the back
of the
and we didn't get any of our shoes because the website crashed and it was like a terrible Nike release. Mm-hmm. So yeah, I just wanted to tell them like, it's the simple colorways that's dope for me. Exactly. And even when I had a chance to make any colorway I wanted, I still made a simple one.
Exactly.
What do you think of these?
I love these. I was telling you before that they kind of give me that Pittsburgh Steelers vibe.
I hate the Steelers too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, they give me a Pittsburgh Steelers vibe, or I guess a Transformer Bumblebee vibe.
Okay. I like the Bumblebee better.
Bumblebee?
Transformers are straight. The first two with Shia LaBeouf. After that,
yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
It
started getting out of hand.
Sorry.
But yeah, okay.
But yeah, I think that this will match a lot of things too. I like the colors. Like, you know, yellow's a primary color, so it matches a lot of stuff, and then you can't go wrong with the black. I actually really like the shoe, and I think you'll pull it off. I know that you said you don't like high top dunks.
It's my first time trying it out.
These are dope.
So one thing that I noticed that the high has, the same thing that the low has, is like some great material. So even if you feel like the toe box is like some good leather right there, that's that prime time. I think they're gonna look on your boy though. Rate me 1 through 10.
Really good.
They're gonna look fine.
You're gonna look fine, baby.
Fine. It's a difference. Like, I can look fine. Am I gonna look fine? Or I'm gonna look fine?
You're gonna look fine.
Fine? Alright, I might throw these on tonight. It is your boy Sniper Jones. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the new Nike Dunk High Iowa. I mean, it's not new to y'all, but it's new to me. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all.
Dream big.
Peace.